आपका अगला सवाल है, when the author of Me and Ecology bit went to Mr. Williams, he was A. burning fire, B. burning straw, C. burning forest, D. burning leaves. आपका सही जवाब है D. burning leaves. आपका अगला सवाल है, the author of Me and the Ecology bit used to meet people and create awareness about A. importance of health, B. importance of money, C. importance of ecology, D. importance of play. आपका सही जवाब है C. importance of ecology. आपका अगला सवाल है, Me and the Ecology bit is all about A. preserving water resources, B. preserving environment and ecology, C. preserving forest resources, D. preserving human resources. आपका सही जवाब है B. preserving environment and ecology. आपका अगला सवाल है, in the essay Me and the Ecology bit, the narrator has a route. A. domestic, B. paper, C. metallic, D. none of these. आपका सही जवाब है D. none of these. आपका अगला सवाल है, John Lexow is the writer of A. the pace for living, B. acceptance speech, C. Me and the Ecology bit, D. Gillu. आपका सही जवाब है C. Me and the Ecology bit. आपका अगला सवाल है, which of the following statements is false according to the essay Me and the Ecology bit? A. Jim uses paper route to convince the people. B. Jim gives suggestions on ecology free of cost. C. Mr. William was not convinced by Jim. D. People easily get convinced by Jim. आपका सही जवाब है D. People easily get convinced by Jim. आपका अगला सवाल है, which animal messes up MS Green's yard? A. elephant, B. donkey, C. dog, D. monkey. आपका सही जवाब है C. dog. आपका अगला सवाल है, which one is not one of the slogans in Me and the Ecology bit? A. save earth, B. save tree, C. save mountain, D. save water. आपका सही जवाब है C. save mountain. आपका अगला सवाल है, Jim asked Mr. Green to keep the old newspapers for the school-going children, who them A. burnt, B. bought, C. read, D. collected. आपका सही जवाब है D. collected. आपका अगला सवाल है, Jim told Mr. Johnson that it would reduce and save ecology if he did not use his car for traveling to short distances. A. petrol, B. pollution, C. weight, D. diesel. आपका सही जवाब है B. pollution. आपका अगला सवाल है, who has written the essay Me and the Ecology bit? A. John Lexow, B. Satyajit Ray, C. Aung San Suu Kyi, D. Toni Morrison. आपका सही जवाब है A. John Lexow.